So let me see. This is gonna be so pretty. This is the first butterfly of the party. Morpho butterfly. No sparkles? No sparkles on your face? You don't want any eyes. Do you want to see it so far? So far? Let's see. Is it okay with it? Let me get your head back a little bit so I can see a baby now. Don't rub it.
Ryan, there you go.
It feels weird.
I've tried
It's so nice. Try not to squeeze.
This is Ethan's chance.
You're not done yet. Here, Ethan. Now we're gonna draw more butterflies.
Gary.
Oh my gosh! It's Darth Maul.
I'll never leave
We have to make you extremely beautiful because we're back with our beautiful look. Okay, let me see this sunscreen. Oh, how cute.
And so they took out the question for the
adding your own flavor.
I don't have to be family friendly, so I can.
Those are that's what I just opened. Those are memory chips. They go with the camera. But I've used this little jewelry box for so long it just broke and had to put a Indian thingy on it.
I'm not. Okay, that's fine. Just go to the trap. Yep. Here, Ethan. Do you want to be Spider-Man?
So I sent him an email. Burlington would be a great market for you guys. It's like towns, like state, blah, blah, blah. And let me know once we find a venue.
Those monsters are going crazy. It's a good thing we have beautiful magicness coming to counteract the craziness.
You can be next, but you have to stay here. Do you want to get painted like Ryan? Okay, then you have to wait. See, when she's done, it's going to be your turn. But we have to wait in line.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay? You like it, Ryan?
Yeah.
Is it the best?
Yeah. If there's
That's your favorite ever.
no paint on my
Can I pick? There's a book of tattoos. We're doing.
Well, I'm trying to. He's been waiting to do this all evening.
Oh, he can sit right
I
here.
know he won't stay. He's just gonna.
Yeah, why is it far away?
You can sit there.
Hey, we want Spider-Man face for this?
Yeah, I think so. Do you want to get your feet?
Yeah, I had to walk a mile one time, and take a bus,
Look at mine.
and then walk another mile. I love the subway. I'll ride the subway.
You should have just a little bit of sparkles. Just a little. You want lipstick? Look at ya.